Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to make our own intro. Since in my previous video I have shown you that how to make our intro, but it's quite different and very interesting. So let's begin. We have to first open VSDC video editor, which I have opened from beginning. If you haven't installed it yet, then please watch my video where I have shown you that how to install VSDC video editor, and I have mentioned that link of how to install VSDC video editor, so please have a look on the description. First you have to click on blank project, entering into a scene, and click on finish. Okay, and in the left column you can see this circle like shape which is called as ellipse, and just click on it. We have to add the ellipse to our intro to make it beautiful. Okay, and I'm making the ellipse and adjusting it, and I'm decreasing size of our scene, and I'm increasing size of the ellipse. Yes, and I'm decreasing the size of the ellipse, I mean video of the ellipse, and since we are making intro, should not more than 5 seconds. It should not be more than 5 seconds, so I'm adjusting it to 2 minutes 2 seconds, sorry. Mistake by me. And we have to right click on the ellipse and click on video effects and click on transforms. In transforms you can see zoom, so please click on it. Click on OK, we adjust it, and in the right side you can see the properties windows. So in properties windows we can see the levels, and in levels we can see a straight line. Just please click on it, and we have initial value and final value. We will keep initial value as 0 and final value as 100, and just click on entering. So we have just trial. Okay, we are done with the ellipse, and it's time for rectangle for black magic. Okay. Set the same size as the parent has, and I'm decreasing the length of this rectangle to 5 seconds is enough for me. Okay, and I'm adding a picture to it, I mean my logo, which I have edited since very long time ago. Just I'm dragging and dropping here. And again in properties window you can see stretch image. In stretch image there is no, we have to click on yes, so that it will stretch, and I'm decreasing the size of it. You can put your own logo. My logo is fine for me. Okay, and we have to rotate it. For rotate, we have to increase the size of it, and I'm clicking on rotate. Right click on it again. In video effects you can see transform, you can see rotate. Click on OK. It's 30 degrees. 31st it has to be 0 to 30. You just play it. Okay, first it should have be 30, and next it should have 0. Just doing trials of it. Rotate should be not more than this, it's too laggy, so I'm just changing it. It's not playing at all. Why? Yes, it's playing. We are good. We are done with the rotate option, and we have to enter the text. So please click on T option and enter the text. Click on OK. Yes, we are done. Click on black. Black is nice for me, and my channel name is Tech Vibes, but it's there on the logo, so I'm entering. Please subscribe. It's too small, we can see tiny, we can't see, so I'm increasing the size of it. 28, yeah, it's perfect. And we are adding exclamatory marks. Oh, exclamatory marks 2 is enough. I'm just placing it here. Okay, I'm putting it up on the cursor. When it stop rotates, then we can add this text so that it will appear nice also, or else it will become worst. And we have to add fade and effects. Like previous, we have to right click on the text and click on video effects, and in video effects you can see transparency. Click on it, and in transparency you can see fade in, so click on it. Fade in, decrease it. Okay, it's too perfect. Okay, and now it's time for moving it. It's moving its position. It will be nice. You can drag it up, to right, to left, to anywhere you want. I'm dragging it to down. It will be nice. It would be nice, but by dragging it. Yes, we are done almost. Okay, I'm just doing a trial. Yes, it's too nice. We are done. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So this is Raghuardhan and signing off.